Hey everybody, it's Greg from Tulsa, Oklahoma. Just here, doing my first unboxing of the mounted. I don't know how to say the word. It's a Helium miner. Let's get into it. All right, let's gotta get this out of get that one out of the way. Yeah. Okay. So we have there's a few specs on it. That's not that big a deal. But we have like a pretty cool box here. We're looking at black and gold. I mean, I like that. Pretty cool. All right. Here we go. Oh, okay. So not a big deal yet. We got, don't know what that is. This is just foam. Oh my God. Oh, what? Oh, are you looking at the, no. Oh my God. Minted. Oh. So there's like other trash in here. It's hard to get out. I'll throw that stuff away later, but look at how, God. Wow.